So it's a facilities with Karnataka Skill Development and our foundation together. We are doing this job fair where the opportunities are for everyone. Throughout the state we have invited and we have welcomed everyone throughout the state. Anybody can come. So the different agencies, there are HR agencies, there are IT companies, there is housekeeping company, all are available on the ground. All the stalls are there, almost some 125 companies are there. So people can come there. Almost 2,500 people have online registered. So they're all coming in. I'm sure we'll be able to give some thousands of youngsters and people looking for job. So I already mentioned, people who ask for job is a different category. People who are really looking for job are the ones who should come here. We have opportunity for them and they will 100% get their job and they can lead a good life. This is our aim. We want to help everybody. Humanity is our consideration. We want to build a better human beings, better humanity between all of us. We help each other. That is the message we are giving. Let's build a society with love and not hatred is the message for this year. So we want everyone to join together and work each other. And whoever is seeing this live or whoever is seeing this news media, please share it to others. There will be somebody else who wants a job. You may not need it. Let this reach to everybody. Government of Karnataka is putting a lot of effort in this direction. We believe that we need to empower the youngsters, the coming generation. So that is why this activity is happening.
So you interacted with some of the job aspects. What did they discuss with you? What did they tell you? What kind of problems are they facing?
No. One girl, she had a problem. She has done master degrees. So she has been educated more than what is required. So we are trying to help them. We want everybody to be master degree holders and study more. Our skill development has another division which will even take people to foreign countries for job. So that also maybe tomorrow we may ask them also to come and sit here. So if anybody is looking to work outside the country, they also have an option then.
So is the Congress and the MLA Harris is trying to set an example of actual telling, promising of job, because we have seen big leaders promising 2 crore jobs.
See that all those 2 crore job for now almost 12 years now, 11 years over. So 22 crores job our country didn't get. We lost so much of job actually with the recession and all those things. Here we are trying to touch every person's life. We are just trying to hold them and lift them so that we are able to give them an opportunity to make their life better. So then everybody makes their